Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Chewing cardamom daily may help with cough, cold, heart health, hemoglobin levels, and detoxification. It also aids blood purification, removes toxins, and supports overall well being. Swiss researchers have developed a biodegradable battery that utilizes fungi. Research has found that everyone is able to sing well. It is a learned skill that gets better with practice and worse with disuse. Diver captures incredible footage of one of the rarest fish in the world just off the coast of Taiwan. Plastic codes and uses every Indian should know. Fear can spread socially like a virus. When people around you are anxious, your brain picks up on those cues, triggering your own stress response. Horse gram is believed to have diuretic properties and may be beneficial for individuals with kidney stones or urinary tract issues. Sarcasm can help boost creative thinking by forcing your brain to process and reconcile contradictory information. The birthstone for April is the diamond, which symbolizes purity, strength, and innocence. A new study finds that chimpanzees' self-medication has helped scientists identify some promising plants for future pharmaceuticals. When you're thirsty and limited water is available, rinse your mouth for 30 seconds before swallowing. Most of our thirst comes from a dry mouth. Modern mines still use 500-year-old card tipping system invented by Leonardo da Vinci. Smiling can make injections less painful. Venezuelan currency is so worthless due to economic collapse that people turn currency notes into origami and sell them to tourists. Pythons have heat sensing organs which help them locate the prey. World's most jealous woman makes husband take lie detector test every time he comes home. Stress can cause your hair to fall out up to 10 times more than usual, according to dermatologist Kurt Sten. According to 2023 research, the average screen time for users around the world aged 16 to 64 across different platforms and devices is 6 hours 37 minutes per day. Every year there are 2 minutes in which there are 61 seconds. Eating rose leaves improves heart health, reduces inflammation, increases blood circulation, and lower blood pressure. Before you speak, let your words pass through 3 gates. Is it true? Is it necessary? Is it kind? Whales only approach humans for fun. They don't realize they weigh 100 tons. You become a master of your life when you learn how to control where your attention goes. Value what you give your energy and time to. Lakes can form in desert after hailstorms because sand can't absorb water. The jar with more than 40,000 coins was buried during the medieval period in Japan. The flip ship can be used vertically as well as horizontally by flooding one side of the vessel. Study finds that retail therapy makes you happier. Domestic cats instinctively don't want to drink from the water bowl next to their food and therefore seek it out first elsewhere in the house because in the wild any water next to their kill might be contaminated. Heavy lift ships can transport anything till 50 meters and 20,000 tons. When you're thinking to yourself by silently talking or arguing in your head, it's actually accompanied by tiny muscular movements in your larynx. So, anytime you are mentally talking to yourself, your body is also physically talking a little bit without your knowing it. In 1980, a 3M polypropylene tape plant accidentally created an invisible wall due to massive static electricity buildup. The charge was so strong that people could not walk through it. While Marco Polo is famous for his travels to Asia, he was not the first European to go there. Decades before Polo, Franciscan monks like Giovanni and William of Rubric journeyed to the east, even reaching the Mongol court. Old Man was the most realistic depiction of a psychopath. This study was then published in the Journal of Forensic Sciences in 2013. A prison in Indiana accepts shelter cats and lets inmates take care of them. The program is clearly beneficial for the cats and the prisoners. Not only does the program help the cats build trust with humans before being adopted to their forever homes, but it also gives inmates a responsibility and teaches them to care for another living creature. This mutually beneficial relationship is beautiful. Sometimes people just need love. And cats. Thanks for watching.